Window replacement. Hyde Park Austin Texas is one of the smartest ways to improve comfort, curb appeal, and efficiency in Austin, Texas homes. Homeowners searching for window replacement. Hyde Park Austin often want better insulation, less outside noise, and attractive styles that fit both classic bungalows and updated properties. From Avenue B Hyde Park window replacement to projects near 45th Street Austin, local demand continues to grow for modern replacement windows. Hyde Park that look great and perform in every season. Residential window replacement. Hyde Park is especially valuable for aging homes with worn frames, sticking sashes, and drafty glass. Many property owners in 78,751 choose old window replacement. Hyde Park because older units can allow heat gain, air leakage, and moisture intrusion. Whether the goal is house window upgrades Hyde Park or full window renovation services Hyde Park, replacing outdated windows can help create a quieter, more energy-efficient interior in north-central Austin. Energy-efficient windows Hyde Park are a top choice for Austin homeowners dealing with intense sun, changing temperatures, and rising utility bills. Austin, Texas energy-efficient window replacement often includes insulated window installation Hyde Park, low-E replacement windows Hyde Park Austin, Texas, and insulated glass window replacement Austin 78,751. These options can reduce heat transfer, improve indoor comfort, and support eco-friendly replacement windows Hyde Park for homeowners who want performance and sustainability. Vinyl window replacement Hyde Park remains one of the most requested services because it offers durability, affordability, and low maintenance. Austin, Texas custom vinyl windows Hyde Park are popular for homeowners who want clean lines, reliable insulation, and a variety of colors and configurations. Affordable window replacement Hyde Park frequently includes vinyl products because they deliver strong value without sacrificing appearance or energy performance in Austin, Texas neighborhoods. Double-pane window replacement Hyde Park is ideal for homes affected by outdoor noise, temperature swings, and inefficient single-pane glass. Many buyers near Guadalupe Street Austin, Duval Street Austin, and UT Austin prefer double-hung window replacement Hyde Park Austin, Texas or casement window replacement Hyde Park Austin for improved insulation and better day-to-day function. Airport noise reduction windows Hyde Park Austin are also increasingly popular for households seeking quieter indoor living spaces. Custom window installation Hyde Park Austin is important for homes with unique architecture, non-standard openings, or historic design requirements. Replacement windows for historic homes Hyde Park often need careful planning so the final result matches the character of the property while improving energy performance. Hyde Park Historic Home Window Restoration and Window Retrofit Services Hyde Park can help preserve charm while still delivering better glass, stronger seals, and modern usability. Window glass replacement Hyde Park can be the right solution when frames remain in decent condition but panes are cracked, fogged, or inefficient. In other cases, window frame replacement Hyde Park is necessary when rot, water damage, or warping affects structural stability. Austin, Texas window frame and sash replacement is a practical option for homeowners who want to restore function and appearance without compromising the style of their Hyde Park Austin, Texas property. Home window installers Hyde Park Austin provide support for everything from design selection to measurements and final installation. Working with local window contractors Hyde Park Austin can make the process easier because they understand neighborhood architecture, local weather conditions, and common issues affecting homes in Hyde Park, North Loop, and North University. Homeowners often start with a window consultation Hyde Park Austin to compare styles, materials, and efficiency upgrades. Window replacement near Hyde Park Austin TX is a common search for homeowners who want responsive service close to their neighborhood. Hyde Park Austin, Texas window installers frequently serve nearby areas including North Loop, Hancock, North University, and corridors near 38th Street Austin. Replacement windows near North Loop Austin and residential window replacement near Hancock Austin are in high demand due to the mix of older homes and renovation activity throughout central Austin. Storm window replacement Hyde Park is another valuable option for homeowners wanting added protection and improved insulation. In Austin, Texas, storms, wind, and seasonal weather changes can put stress on aging windows, especially in older homes with weakened seals or frames. Drafty window replacement Hyde Park can help reduce discomfort, improve climate control, and prevent ongoing issues caused by worn components or outdated glazing systems. Window Installation estimates Hyde Park help homeowners understand budget, timeline, and product options before starting a project. A reliable window replacement company, Hyde Park Austin, can assess whether full replacement, retrofit work, or targeted upgrades are the best fit. From affordable window replacement Hyde Park to premium custom solutions, estimates are an essential step for comparing double-pane glass, vinyl frames, low-E coatings, and specialty configurations. Replacement windows near 38th Street Austin and window replacement near 45th Street Austin are often requested by homeowners updating older residences with better performing products. These projects may involve modern replacement windows Hyde Park, old window replacement Hyde Park, or complete house window upgrades Hyde Park, Austin, Texas. For families living near busy streets, improved insulation and sound control can make a major difference in daily comfort. Window replacement near Duval Street, Austin is especially common for homes balancing historic character with modern efficiency needs. Hyde Park historic home window restoration may include custom dimensions, sash restoration, and replacement windows for historic homes Hyde Park that preserve the original look. At the same time, custom window installation Hyde Park Austin can introduce cleaner operation, stronger locks, and better insulation without losing architectural charm. Casement window replacement Hyde Park Austin is a popular choice for ventilation and easy operation, while double-hung window replacement Hyde Park Austin, Texas remains a classic option for traditional homes. Both styles are widely used in Hyde Park window replacement projects because they work well across historic, transitional, and updated homes. Best replacement windows Hyde Park Austin, Texas often depend on home style, orientation, budget, and energy goals. Window installation near UT Austin and replacement windows near Guadalupe Street Austin are increasingly sought after by homeowners and property owners investing in long-term upgrades. These central Austin locations often include older buildings where insulated window installation Hyde Park and window frame replacement Hyde Park can significantly improve property value. North Central Austin window replacement services help bring these homes up to modern standards while keeping neighborhood appeal intact. Avenue F, Austin TX replacement windows are frequently selected for homes that need a polished exterior update and better energy performance. Whether the project involves window glass replacement Hyde Park, full frame replacement, or window retrofit services Hyde Park, the right installation can improve comfort and reduce maintenance. Local window contractors Hyde Park Austin understand the importance of matching style, size, and finish for homes throughout Hyde Park Austin, Texas. A window consultation Hyde Park Austin is often the best first step for planning successful upgrades. Homeowners can review materials, compare energy-efficient windows Hyde Park, and decide between vinyl window replacement Hyde Park, double-pane window replacement Hyde Park, or specialized insulated glass window replacement Austin 78751. With experienced Hyde Park Austin, Texas window installers, homeowners can move forward confidently with residential window replacement Hyde Park that enhances beauty, efficiency, and value across Austin, Texas.